Hello everyone. In this session we will discuss the selection sort. So first of all, what is a sorting? Yes, sorting is nothing but it is a technique to find the our elements or else your list of elements in the form of ascending or descending order. So here we have the selection sort. This selection sort is performing the smallest elements from the given list and those are replacing with the first element. First we need to take the list of elements. Okay, so for after that here we need to select which one is the smallest value and then we can replace. Until the sorting is completed, we need to do the process. This is a simple sorting technique. So with the example you will be understand. Let's start with the example here. So here we have the first here we need to take these some elements, right? So here I am taking the some list of elements 9, 4, 6, 2, 5, 8 and the 7. Just take the elements in the form of mixing type. Means here it may be the smallest, it may be the largest value. You can combine those values in this. After the taking of the example, you need to be pass the iterations into this. In the sorting technique here, we need to be pass the iterations. Let's see here. And the first iteration, this is our first step. In the first iteration, this is our first step. You can see. We need to be find the what we had the first element in this. Now this is the first element, right? This is the first element. And next here, what we have the smallest comparing to our all the elements 4, 6, 2, 5, 8, 7. Here 2 is the smallest element comparing to the all the elements here. So then make this one is the smallest. Then make this one is the smallest value. And after that here you need to be perform the swap for these two values. Okay. So again write the values whatever you have in the list. After the writing of these values, just do the swapping performance. Okay, so here 2 will becomes to 9. 2 will be comes to 9 here. So means here we are performing the swapping technique. So 2 will becomes to here and 9 will becomes to here. Let's see here. 2 is sorted now. So that's what here I'm taking the another box. Or else here you can combine with the boxes also. There is no problem. That's our choice. In the two ways we can perform this one. And after that what we have 4, 6. 9 will come to the second value position. 9, 5, 8 and the 7. Right? And now here this value is the sorted. Then here you can make this is the sorted. And these are now unsorted elements. Unsorted elements. Right? So then after the processing of this, you next move to the second iteration. Next move to the second iteration. That is the iteration 2. Again you can write whatever we have the elements into this. 2, 4, 6, 9, 5, 8 and the 7. And now this is the sorted, right? This is the sorted. And whatever you have, these are unsorted. In this you can check here what we have the first element in the unsorted. So with the form of sorted here, there is no use for this. Means we can remove for the sorting process for the whatever we sorted. Whatever we have in the unsorted, that we need to be performing to this. Let's check here. And this here first element is the 4. This is the first element. And also comparing to the all the elements in the list, this is only smallest. And also here smallest value. Here 4 is the first element in the list in the unsorted. and the smallest element comparing to the all the list of elements in the unsorted. So then make here 4 is the sorted list now. Okay, so then make here this is the sorted list now. So you can make here 2, 4, 6, 9, 5, 8 and the 7. Right? So now here 2 and 4, these two are our sorted. And these are our unsorted. After the completion of this here, you can move to our iteration 3. Iteration 3. So now again you can write whatever you have the elements into this. And then here, now these are our sorted elements. And now these are our unsorted elements. Right? And then here, first you need to find the first element in the unsorted list. Now 6 is the first element. And comparing to all the elements in the list here, 5 is the smallest element. Then make this is the smallest. Right? After that, your next step here, you have to swap those two. 2, 4, 6, 9, 5, 8 and the 7. So now here these two values will be swapped. Means here the 6 will comes to 5 and the 5 will comes to 6. Okay, right. So we can swap here, 5 will comes to here and the 6 will be moves there. So automatically here I am giving the performance for this. Here 5 will comes to here, right? So directly here I am giving the performance like your sorted. 2, 4 and the 5. And next here we have the 6. So here this is the swap. This is the swap. 9. Sorry, here we have the 9 actually. So after that here what we have 6 and 8 and the 7. These are our sorted now. And these are unsorted. And next here, after the third iteration, you have to pass our fourth iteration. Now you can see, again we have the 2, 4, 5. At right now we sorted the 3 elements and here we left with the 4 elements. Again do the same process until the ascending order is completed. Right? And you can check here 9, 6, 8, 7 we have. Compare these elements. This is the first element in the list. Compare these elements. You will get the small element is the 6. So this is the smallest element. And then you can swap 6 to 9. You can swap with the 6 to 9. Always here you have to write these sorted and the unsorted list format for this. 2, 4, 5. Now here you need to swap these two. 9 will comes to here and the 6 will comes to here. Just to do the swap for this. Once we did the process like you're swapping, it will get like, okay, once you did the swapping, what you will get here? 2, 4 and the 5, 6. The value will comes to here. And now here we got the 4 values or 4 elements or in the form of a sorted. And now here we have the unsorted. And here 9, 8 and the 7. And again we need to start the iteration 5. 2, 4, 5 and 6. Now these are the sorted list and this is the unsorted one. So here we have the 9, 8 and the 7. So compare, this is the first element. This is the first element and the smallest element is the 7. Smallest element is the 7. And then you can swap these two now. 2, 4 and the 5, 6. So here we are swapping this one. Okay, 9 will be comes to here. 9 will be comes to here. So these are the our sorted. These are the our sorted. And next here these are the our unsorted. So directly I'm doing the swapping. Or else here if we need, we can do the process like this only. 9 and the 7. These two are. And here we are doing the swapping for these. 7 will becomes to 9th position. And the 9 will becomes to the 7th position. After that here directly 7 will be moves to here. Okay, so now here whatever you have, these are the sorted elements and these are the unsorted elements. Okay, so 2, 4, 5, 6 and the sorted element we have at present 7. And next here we have the 8 and the 9. So 9 is coming to the 7th position if you are swapping that one. And next pass the iteration 6 into this. Now we have the sorted elements or 5 elements. You can see we have the sorted elements or the 5 elements, and we have unsorted elements or the 2 elements. So this is the first element. You can see this is the first element in the list, and also we can compare, this is the smallest one only. Not only first element, this is the smallest only. So then here it is moving to the our sorted list now. It is moving to the our sorted list. Okay, and here we left with the one number, that is the 9. Now here these are all the sorted list, and this is the our unsorted list. At last you can see whatever you have the unsorted number, that is automatically joined into the our list. So then here you can make all the numbers in the one list format. These are all here sorted. Okay, these are all sorted elements. Like this here we can do so many examples. Thank you for the watching. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel.